Hello friends, today I am to talk to you about my review of Swarm. Swarm is a unique and a peculiar software by vendors well known Venkat Ramanna, Mark Bishop and Nakul. Now what is Swarm? Swarm is a software and what does it do? You see, in the market, there are sellers of the digital product, there are buyers of the digital product, and ideally they should easily meet, but sellers find it difficult to find buyers, buyers find it difficult to find sellers. So a system has been made which is called Swarm. Now Swarm uses videos. Swarm uses videos within its system to attract the customers. So now you can see we have the sellers, we have the buyers. The buyers are attracted into a system because of videos, and therefore on these videos the sellers can attach their affiliate link in the description and subsequently make sales simply by the click of a button. Now before I proceed further, I would request you to please look below my video, click on the subscribe link so that we can remain in touch and my subsequent reviews can reach you easily and you be notified about them. Now in this system, Swarm is so peculiar that it is a secret and a weird video system. Now why we call it a secret and a weird video system? Actually, secret because till now it was not known. Weird because it is not simply a video system. And this video system is done almost by the software itself. All the videos are produced by the software and you don't have to produce your video, a monetized video, without putting your face in front of the camera, without you recording the video, and therefore this is a secret and a weird video system which makes the customers $5,000 to $19,000 per month without selling anything. We have unlocked and automated this hidden system so that you can get results today. It is newbie friendly, no experience is required, and there are no additional costs. The vendors, they say that today you get a secret video system currently making users thousands per month without selling, 100% newbie friendly, software automation, all-in-one solution, zero tech skills or experience, and they are so confident that they are giving you 120 days money back guarantee. Yes, you have read it correct. Zero risk, 120 money back guarantee, and in addition a further $100 for wasting your time. So now I start my review on this software, Swarm. Now this is my bonus page, which not only explains the system to you but also gives you several bonuses, and the link to obtaining these huge bonuses is down in the description under this video. I will tell you certain details about the link because there are two sets of bonuses. One which are being given by us, another which are being given by the vendors, and there is a third special category which I will discuss subsequently. So please read the description. Please read the description and follow the link, and you will get several bonuses and you will be very happy to receive them. So what does Swarm do? As I told you, with a weird video system. Now what is weird about this video system? Actually, you have to rank your videos high on Google. And this is the tedious part. You have to make a video, to rank a video, do good SEO, and subsequently be able to achieve sales. Now here, the system allows you to choose keywords in any niche. You take any niche and put a keyword. It will tell you which are the least competitive keywords. On that keyword, when you click, you will get several videos which can be imported into the system. You attach a new intro, you attach a new outro, and trim 3 or 4 videos, so a new video is created. Those very keywords which you have chosen, they will be put in the description as tags. Thus, these keywords will rank these videos higher automatically. And once those people who search these keywords, they are exposed to your videos, they like your videos, they go in the description, and you can monetize these videos with your link in the description, and that is how you make the sale. This is the summary of the whole situation, which I will subsequently now demonstrate. So what is Swarm about? Swarm is all about that I told you just now, and I have told you that the vendors are very popular: Venkatramana, very reputed, Mark Bishop, and Nakul. Here are some key benefits that you may be interested in getting. It is a weird video system, making you thousands of dollars per month. It is 100% newbie friendly. There is software automation, and all-in-one solution with zero tech skills required. The front end costs $17, but as the time passes, is a dime sale, the price will increase. The upsell one is $67, and it removes all restrictions for the users, and unlimited videos of any length and multiple accounts can be made in this upsell one. This is a very, very attractive upsell. Subsequently, the second upsell costs $47. The third upsell costs $97, and you can read this in my bonus page, the link to which is given below. The fourth upsell is the agency rights, and the fifth upsell is $1,000 week video tutorial with done for you products. So watch the video as to how the member area functions. Now in the members area, you can create a campaign. It is a 7-minute long video. I will try and skip and try and show you. So you start off with creating the campaign. You give a name to the campaign, and then you put in a keyword, and the keywords are now being populated. These green numbers, if the numbers are green, you can choose these keywords, and if the numbers are orange or red, you should try and avoid them. Suppose you choose, yes, this one cute dog video funny. You choose this keyword, then you move to the pink box and click on it, and you will get several videos on the chosen keyword. Now these videos that you have chosen, they will be arranged according to your requirement, and then subsequently you can open them up and trim them in the system itself, and you can sequence them in the system itself. I will skip the subsequent part because many videos will be shown which will be trimmed. I will let you see the first video. This video is being prepared. Now the second video has come. Similarly, a third video will come and a fourth video will come. And this, the intro is being written. After you have compiled the videos and attach them together, you can design your intro. The intro is being designed, and it would finally look something like this. Yes. So the text can be altered, the background can be altered, the colors can be altered, the size and fonts can be altered. Similarly, you can make an outro. So after you have made the intros and the outros and saved them, then the whole video will be created. And because of the keywords that are given here, the video now runs. Enjoy the compilation of these. This is the outro, and then directly from here you can upload the thumbnail. You can upload the video to either YouTube or to Vimeo. So you don't have to go elsewhere. The thumbnail can be attached here, the tags can be put here, the description can be put here, the video can directly be uploaded to YouTube or Vimeo. And this is how the members area works. Now coming down below, these are the green buttons and there are several of them. Clicking on these buttons, you will go to my link, and from there you can secure your product as well as your bonuses. Bonus number 1, Octane, such a popular product. The pro version is for you. The next is Aurora. The pro version is for you. The third is Eclipse, and not only you the Eclipse is for you, even the Rolodex of Eclipse is included in the bonus. The fourth bonus is how to blast your teaser videos to #1 on YouTube by Jono Armstrong. The fifth bonus is Jono's branding hacks part 1 as well as part 2. Now in internet marketing, branding of yourself also plays a very important part. Now if somebody is unknown, people are unlikely to buy from them, but if you are well known in the arena of internet marketing, then people are more likely to buy from you, and that is why this bonus is very handy and both the parts are included. And finally, the bonuses given by the vendors will be delivered to you. Now, I would like to summarize that today, when you act, the quicker you act, the lower is the price. Be among the first to get access to the brand new system. No monthly fees when you act during the launch period. Get first movers advantage over the competition. The bonuses will be removed after the timers that you saw on my bonus page come to 00, and it is covered by a 120-page guarantee. Now, additionally, if you buy the front end, you get all these bonuses. But if from my link you buy any of the OTOs, then you get special bonuses collected by me. Number 1, 3, 1, 2 and 3. 3 sets of YouTube keyword research tools. 8 best YouTube keywords tool of 2020. So you get 3 tools. Bonus 2 is a free instant downloader for YouTube from Microsoft. Number 3, you get 2 products. Boost your YouTube views through number 1 YouTube SEO software and 2 of the best free softwares for YouTube SEO. 4th is 12 tools to grow your YouTube channel, and 5th are top 7 YouTube video editing softwares. Now in the description I have written that to my email address, which is given over there. If you email me the receipt of FE and any one of the OTOs, then I will see to it that I deliver to you all these 5 attractive bonuses. So I'm so thankful to you that you have had the patience to listen to my review of Swarm. I hope it will help you in taking an informed decision. Thank you very much.